we've all had problems with acne, and then when acne just starts blowing up on our face, well, we're screwed. So, our group is going to address the problem, what causes the inflammation of acne?
Hey, so, prom season's kind of coming up, and I was just wondering, if you'd like to go with me?
No, sorry, no.
Oh. This is a problem. I can't deal with this. Oh man, this acne is really bad. I hope the doctors can help me.
Well, hello, Mr. Mishra.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Bulgaris.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Mr. Mishra. I'm Dr. Acne.
Oh, hi.
So what seems to be the problem here?
You guys can tell, I kind of have a very serious outbreak of acne, and I kind of can't get any girl to go to prom with me, and it kind of sucks.
Not a problem. Our office has just come up with a new product called Acne Gone.
Oh.
And if you don't mind, my PA and I will take a few moments to explain to you how it's going to work and how acne is caused.
Alright, okay, sure.
So factors such as stress and pollution affect the human body in certain ways. Stress and pollution activate something called the MAPK kinase pathway inside our body, which stands for mitogen activated protein kinase pathway. So when you're exposed to stress and pollution, your body reacts to this and inflames to cause acne.
Cool.
Oh, so how does it work? Good question. The MAPK kinase pathway works through a variety of signaling and activating proteins. It mainly works through phosphorylation of serine and 309 protein kinases. These are basically amino acids with hydroxyl groups attached to them. What basically happens is that a tyrosine kinase can come in and phosphorylate the serine and 309 amino acids on the MAPK by taking a phosphate group from ATP and then attaching it to the serine or 309 by replacing their hydroxyl groups with the phosphate. Then, get this, they start a phosphorylation cascade where they phosphorate other serine and 309 kinases down the pathway. This provides the free energy needed to power the cascade.
So, the way acne works is when you have environmental stress factor like LPS or lipopolysaccharide, and it binds to a transmembrane protein in the cell membrane. When that happens, the transmembrane protein ends up exchanging a GDP for a GTP, just guanine triphosphate. That activates the transmembrane protein factor to phosphorylate the serine-threonine proteins of TAC1 by using tyrosine. And then TAC1 does the same thing to the serine-threonine kinases of MKK6, phosphorylating them. MKK6 activated, then again phosphorylates the kinases of P38 MAPK, which does the same thing to MK2. When MK2 finally phosphorylates TTP, you have TTP binding to the AUUA sequence on the mRNA, and that prevents the translation of the TNF-alpha, which is a pro-inflammatory cytokine. If TNF-alpha is activated, the problem is that it'll go off and go to the immune system and start giving it signals to start making your acne even worse and just start popping and blistering and all the other stuff, right?
So what exactly is a cytokine? I wasn't really listening.
So a cytokine is a cell signaling molecule, and when it attaches onto the cell receptors of your target cell, what happens is that that's going to initiate the cells to move towards your acne or your inflammation sites and start making them swell and boil. It's just going to get worse and worse.
Cool.
Mishra, here's your bottle of Acne Gone. It's a complimentary from our office. Now, Acne Gone will work by inhibiting the MK2 protein and will prevent the expression of the inflammatory cytokine protein TNF-alpha. Doing so will prevent further acne from popping up, and hopefully your acne will be cleared up in no time. Now, do you have any questions for us?
No, just let me leave already.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm completely sure. Stop.
Any more questions?
No, I'm leaving. Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, Mr. Mishra.
Okay, thank you.
We hope to see you soon.
I don't want to see you. But
Oh, hey.
oh my God, how are you?
Good. Oh my gosh. Is that really you?
It surprisingly is. I mean, look, I'm clean now.
Yeah,
I'm
I
good.
can definitely see that.
Yeah. So, I know you already, told me no, but I was just wondering, if you do you have a prom date?
No.
Would you like to be mine?
Sure, why not?
Awesome.